Hey, doll sewing friend. This is Kat. Let's sew a sailor outfit from Nendoroid Doll, Book of Adorable Seasonal Outfits. Grab your materials. Let's make a sailor beret. Cut out and mark all pieces. You'll have 4 pieces total. Grab one crown. Right sides together, pin the crown edge and sew. Iron the seam open. Repeat the steps for the other crown. Grab the crown and the beret top. Right sides together, pin the crown to the top. Repeat for the other beret. You have 2 pieces. Sew both pieces. Next, turn one of the berets right side out. Place it inside the other beret, right sides together. Mark an opening for turning the beret and sew. I basted them by hand before attaching them with a sewing machine. Turn the beret right side out. Yay! The beret is complete. This project is beginner friendly. If you prefer a text version of the steps in this video, download the PDF in the description below. I hope you decide to make this project for your doll. If you do, be sure to tag us at the Dolly Insider on Instagram so that we can see your look. You can also email us. See the description below for details. I hope you enjoyed this sailor themed project. Until next time, happy sewing.